this out.
Today we're going to be doing a product review on the 13 Fishing Concept A reel. This is a 7:3:1 gear ratio. This isn't the first time I've actually unboxed this. I've had it for quite some time. We're going to be doing a review on it. Inside the box you'll get a piece of paper, then the reel itself. Concept A reel runs about $175.99. I picked this up at Academy Sports. As I really do like it. The price point's not too bad, depending on what it's being compared to. I don't have any complaints other than the first one that I did buy was the 6:6:1, and that literally broke on me after a couple days. When I took it back, they said that that was a display model only, and whoever sold it to me was an idiot. I don't know. But anyway, no questions asked. I did return it, and I got a legit one, I guess. But you do get 22 pounds of drag, which is awesome, especially for the price point. I mean, seriously, this thing will hold on to anything that you get. I was a little nervous with the cork handles. I will say, I don't know if anyone else has had this issue, but I think it was like the second time I did take it out. When they got wet, or at least one of the bass that I caught, or at least my fingers were wet, and I went back to reeling. Well, I don't know if it was the water or the heat, but it's almost like they got like really sticky. Like some kind of adhesive was coming off of them. They're fine now. They seem to be a little more glossy. Almost have like a glossy coating to them. For the price point, you guys really do get a lot of reel here. I'd definitely give this reel about a 4 out of 5 star rating. The only thing I don't like about it is when on the reel, when you're reeling in it kind of feels like there's something grinding in there, especially when you cast. It almost has like a zing effect. I don't know, you kind of hear like the spool in there zinging. I went and I made sure everything was clean, everything was well greased. I don't know, I've never had it that severely with any other reel. But besides that, it's been a really sturdy reel, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody. It does have beetle wing door, so open it, it pops up. It's on this spring-loaded deal here, and that's nice. Inside that, you can take out your spool and get into the guts when it comes time to cleaning.
Want to see something really cool? Check this out. something really cool? Check this out.